This prompt takes the raw numbers and turns them into a professional documents in a minute. So let's see. So magbibigay ako sa kanya ng mga bank statement. So create tayo dito ng another chat. So kapag iba-iba po yung mga client nyo, mas maganda po na iba-iba po yung mga documents that you'll chat na ibibigay mo or thread. So I need you to prepare our year-end bookkeeping summary for my client to give to their accountant and CPA for tax filing. The business type is, balik tayo kay Honeybee, which is a Shopify store owner selling Honeybee. So there are their annual total amount and expenses. Here are their annual total income. Lagay natin, please see attach bank statement. Pero kung meron na kayong data niya, much better. So all you have to do is add files. So ito, ibibigay natin yan sa kanya. Bibigyan natin siya ng 3 months na bank statement. Yan. Titingnan natin kung makakapag-prepare siya ng year-end bookkeeping summary.